Today we will prepare delicious potato and cheese scones together. They are soft, fluffy, and ideal for breakfast or as a quick treat. First, boil the potatoes in their skins and grate them finely. Grate the hard cheese in the same way. Pour some warm milk into a bowl. You can find the list and quantities of ingredients in the description below the video. Add a little granulated sugar. We mix. Add a cube of fresh yeast. Finally, add a little semi-coarse flour. Mix well and let stand for about 5 minutes. This will create a leaven, which we will then add to the dough. Gradually add 650 grams of semi-coarse flour to the bowl. 2 teaspoons of salt. Grated hard cheese. Grated boiled potatoes. Two eggs. Two tablespoons of sour cream. The leaven we made earlier. (200 milliliters of sunflower oil). And finally, the rest of the milk we have left. And now we mix everything well and knead the dough. Now that we have the dough kneaded, sprinkle the surface with a little flour and cover it. Place the dough in a warm place and let it rise for about an hour. Once the dough has risen, sprinkle a board with flour and roll out the dough. Then we can start cutting out the scones and placing them one by one on the baking sheet. Brush them with beaten egg. Finally, sprinkle them with grated hard cheese. We bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot in making more videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.